Well boys, how are we all getting on, and welcome back to another video. Now, a lot of things are happening at the moment, and over the next 3 weeks, a good few videos are coming in. I think you can just see one of them right there, so that'll be next week. But this week, I got something big. Actually, it was 2 weeks ago I got it, but it's a big purchase, the most expensive thing I've ever got, and this is what it is. I'm gonna have to take the camera off for this to show you, it's that big. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that beautiful thing, Japanese made Suzuki. I bought myself a new outboard engine. Look how beautiful she is. She is a 4-stroke, 6 horsepower, so the minimum I would call for an Irish lock. And she's absolutely perfect for everything I do. With the trolling motor together, it's just perfect. And she'll be put to the test because this week, or actually tomorrow, I'm entering my first pike competition of the year. So she's going to be really put to the test. That's really what this video is about, just a few boat sessions with her. I still have to go for her first service and I have to get her a tank. I've been filling her up from the top the whole time, but she can't attach a tank and she is beautiful. So mainly fishing wise, I've just been boat fishing to really run up the hours on that engine because I want to get its first service before December. And here are 2 of those sessions. I went with a load of lads. The first session I went with Daniel, you know from the other videos, another Daniel, Mono and myself. 4 lads in the one boat, pike fishing. Now, the day before this session we had a cold front. It was actually the coldest day of the year and I thought the pike fishing was going to be awful, but this is how it went.
No, I'm gonna go back up there.
Yeah, no, hop in, man. There's 2 rod holders there, so you can fight for whoever has them.
Me!
Can you not? I can swim perfectly. Perfect.
It's like a rock.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. If the pike like these come off the bottom, there's not enough on me. That's very sexy.
That's perfect for the cold.
Dan, if I hit you about the rod in the head, just know there's a pike on the end of it, yeah? They're not bad like that. If we're doing, sorry.
That little foreplay is deadly. You're putting them back in the box and all, you're keeping them like a little precious child.
Yeah, that's right. What's the man, Tom? Not Daniel come, Daniel come always comes prepared, yeah? Boom! Look at this, Mono.
Boom, water.
And listen to this. Another pike.
Yeah, we got one! We got him!
What did I tell you, Dan?
Well done, Dan. I'm delighted for you. I'm delighted. Right by the boat. Yeah. Any pike today is good. So that's
Well, pal. I'm watching.
well, I hope. There's Daniel's, not Daniel.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
They're thrown back or what?
Yeah. He has them on the video. The mark on them.
Yeah, maybe a big cut off. That f***ing fish is freezing, boy. I have her, boy. Don't worry. Captain J. Smith here. I thought one of them 2 would catch the first fish. Them gobies, man. I'm telling you, they're unreal. Guys, I have one. It's a good fish now.
What is coming?
The captain always gets one. Boy, he's not bad.
Oh, he's nice.
Not bad, huh?
Look at that, the fire boat, man. Let's go.
Oh, he's 6 pounds.
Yeah, 5 or 6 pounds.
Hey, how fat he is. Hammered the pig shad. I should give him a weight. Hey, not bad, not bad. Solid pike. For the cold, that's good going. There's me thinking that was weed. Oh, boys, it's bigger than you think.
Yeah, but then that is way more. About 7,
yeah.
And that is 1.5.
Alright, so it's 7.5 then. I'm going to get my good camera out. You want to hold it there for me, Mama? Right, boys, just landed the biggest fish of the day so far. 7.5 pound. For a cold day, that's the job. It's a good, any fish is good. Congrats to Daniel as well for getting one. You see he's got a bit of his gill ripped there. Someone else caught him. But, yeah, stick him back. As the whole boat's lined up. Go on, Mano!
Yep, the Mano.
On the biggest lure. On the biggest lure.
Yeah. That was me for a minute.
Yeah. Jeez, the smallest pike took the biggest lure. Hold up there.
Yeah, Bobby! Your turn, then.
You better.
Big green lure, boys.
He took that big. And for the last session, it was just me, Daniel and Mano in the boat. And before the session, of course, Storm Irma hit Ireland and flooded the lakes and the rivers up a good bit, making the fishing, including with the cold, just awful. It was horrible. And we fished the river all day, pretty much 90% of the day, with nothing, not a bite. We changed lures multiple times, just nothing worked until we reached the road shoal on the way back for the last hour. Fish.
Yeah.
On.
Big.
No. Few pound.
Huh?
Few pound. Other than the savage your deeper swim. Yeah, it's jerkbait. There we go. So jerkbaits. Sound. Not bad. Yeah, so jerkbaits are working. It's not bad for here now. Finally something. Yes.
Yes.
Number 3. That was only a small one. I thought that was a perch. No, I thought it was. Good. It's grand. Oh. Right, can I get another one? And the jigs, and one on the jerkbait. On?
Yeah.
Lovely. Come on, Dan. Not bad fish. There you go. He's a good fish. 5 fish in no more than an hour. Nice, heavy boy. Oh, he's not bad, boy. He's not bad for the road show. Come on, lad. Yeah, play him gently.
Please don't come off.
Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, playing him perfectly. So that's about 8 pound, boy. Oh, there you go, boy.
Jesus, he's lovely.
That's a good fish now.
Look at that, man. Let it go.
7 pound anyway, yeah. That's a good fish now, Daniel, with the fish of the day. I'll literally just have to leave in 5 minutes. There you go, Paul. Look at that, boy. I'm actually going to get my good Cameroon fish. There you go, boys. Daniel with a lovely pike. Definitely 6 pound, 7 pound. We're going to weigh him now. And took the little tiny cannibal shad jig. That's all they want today. Have it small and easy. Right, put on the net.
Oh, the next one, 7 pound.
7 pound? That's a winner in a competition, but that is a serious pike. On his tail there if you can. There we are. Lovely lad.